By just completing some micro tasks, you can get paid in PayPal money, and I will teach you how to do that in today's video. It is absolutely free to join and worldwide available. If you're interested, just make sure to follow me till the end of this video so you can get the desired results. Just before we start, I want to remind all of you that are new to this channel that if you haven't already, you can subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on, so you can get notified each time we upload brand new strategies on how to make money online. If you love this type of content, then give this video a thumbs up, and also if you have any question or opinion about this video, just leave a comment down below. With that said, I'm going to start right away with this tutorial so I can show you everything. I'm going to give you multiple sources so you can just find one that works best for you, or you can even combine all of them in order to make the most money. So the very first platform that I want you to go over is this one here called Sprout Gigs. This is over at sproutgigs.com. This is an online marketplace that connects freelancers and business owners from all around the world with some easy to do affordable tasks. They have some members from more than 250 different countries and territories in the world. As you can see, you're going to complete some micro jobs, and they are very small, easy tasks that require little time to complete. And this includes testing an app, helping promote content, doing data collection, and many others. You can even complete surveys and offers for quick and easy income. Of course, you are not going to become rich overnight, but this is a nice way to earn some extra money and get a significant financial boost. So you can see that first of all, you just need to go over to the paid survey tab, then just choose a survey, answer questions, and get paid. You can even become an influencer, and you can just promote different products and brands, and even post gigs, as you can see. But in order to be able to post gigs, you need to successfully complete surveys, offers, and micro jobs in order to get some points and attain the advanced levels. So by scrolling down, you're going to notice that they do offer an affiliate program, so you can get your affiliate link and promote this platform, bring your members to it, and you're going to get paid in passive income and get a 5% referral fee. What I want you to do right away is to just go over to the Freelance Center section up here, because you're going to see people getting paid in real time from anywhere in the world. So you're going to just notice here that they're making decent amount of money. This person here has made more than $2,000. This one here $500, and so on. And they are getting paid through their preferred payment method, including Skrill, RTM, PayPal, Litecoin, and so on. So you can choose between different payment methods and get paid for the time and dedication that you put on this platform. So in order to get started, just click on the sign up button in the upper right corner, and after that you're going to put your real name, an email address, a password, confirm the password, then type your nickname over here, select the country, and you're going to notice that this is available all around the world, just like I promised you at the beginning of this video. Then select your profile type, which is going to be a worker, of course, agree to their terms of service and privacy policy, and click on sign up in order to start doing those micro tasks and get paid again and again. Another similar platform is called Rapidworkers, and it's over at rapidworkers.com. As you can see, this is a crowdsourced service with more than 100,000 of workers. So their team helps individuals, small businesses, and also professionals to create some low-cost publicity and market campaigns so they can increase sales, get better ranking, and so on. So you're going to help them with that, and you're going to, for example, follow someone on Twitter, you can sign up to some websites, you can just like some videos on YouTube, you can play some games, upload 5 photos to the site, and so on. And as you can see, they range from like 1 minute of work to even more, but also you're going to get paid even more if the task requires longer to complete. You can see here that as a worker, you're going to just sign up for free, and then you're going to browse some micro jobs, select the jobs that you like to complete, finish the task and submit proof, and then you're going to just earn money. They pay through different payment methods, including PayPal, so even this one pays you in PayPal money, but even through your bank account and MasterCards and Visa cards. So in order to get started, click here on sign up now. It's going to take you over to this page. Here you're going to put your name, an email address, a password, a country, and even this platform is available worldwide, and complete the captcha. I want to mention that your name and email cannot be changed after, so make sure to put the right one over here. Then you need to read these rules, and all this will get you eventually banned. So you need to not do any of these things over here. Then once you agree to them and their terms and conditions, click on create my account. So let's check out some of these rules. For example, you're going to get banned if you use VPN or other type of masking IP software, if you use multiple accounts with the same IP, if the same IP is used with other accounts to do tasks, and if you do other countries' jobs that you are not from. So you're going to complete tasks that are available only for your country and the ones that are internationally available. So make sure to follow these rules. You can see that this platform has been around since 2009. So it shows that this is a legit platform, since you know that most of the scam websites disappear after a short period of time. So once you create your account, you're going to start completing some tasks that are available in your country and also that are available internationally in order to get paid again and again. With that said, I'm going to proceed to the last platform for today, which is called Remo Tasks. This is over at remotasks.com. You're going to earn money in US dollars by doing some online tasks from the comfort of your home, and they have a community of more than 240,000 of taskers that have completed a lot of tasks, and they are for more than 90 countries in the world, and they've made a total of $50 million altogether. They are from Venezuela, Philippines, Kenya. You can even click here on see more testimonials to see and read what people have to say about this platform. So let's see how it works. First of all, you're going to do some tasks that includes like labeling images, transcribing audios, and so on, and you're going to get paid. But first of all, they are going to just give you some online courses or free hands-on training so you can learn how to do those tasks, which is pretty awesome actually. Then you're going to work on tasks that you have unlocked from projects that you have unlocked, and you're going to get paid in US dollars weekly through PayPal or AirTM. So you can see that no prior experience is required, so you're going to even start as a complete beginner, since they're going to give you free training and you can learn how to do those tasks. You're going to level up and earn even more. The more difficult the task, the more money you're going to make, of course, and you're going to have a flexible schedule. You can work from anywhere and anytime. You just need a computer and an internet connection. If you want to, you can even read the frequently asked questions down here so you can learn more about this platform and some other videos as well from other creators. So you're going to go over to the sign up button in the upper corner, and then you're going to just sign up by agreeing to their terms of service, continuing with a Facebook account or Google account, and that's it. You're going to create your account right away. As you can see, there are new projects that always come in, and even long-term projects that you can work on, so you have consistent work. You're going to get paid often, just like we saw even before, every week in US dollars through PayPal, and you can earn a living, since as we saw even before, people have made more than $50 million. So with that said, guys, this is it for today's video. If you like it, make sure to give a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you in the next tutorial.